Well, looky, looky, what have we got here? Woohoo! I'm excited. I've got to tell you what, guys, I am excited. We've been sent an EMOVE scooter from our good friends at Electromotion. Now these things, I've got to tell you, I'm just so excited about them. The reviews on these things are fantastic. Now today is just an unboxing video because obviously we're going to have to charge the thing up and take it for a ride, which we're going to do tomorrow up on the Sunshine Coast. These scooters, now they're only a single motor scoot, but let me tell you this, they peak at 1600 watt, the rear motor. They are a 30 volt, yeah, check it out, that wasn't a misprint, 30 volt LG battery. Okay, they're 52 volt, 30 ampere. I'll just say that again, a 30 ampere. I was just saying to my stunt rider Kel, who's producing this video today, I don't do any second takes, I'm fucking one take Charlie. 30 ampere LG battery. So the rear motor peaks at 1600 watts. Now that's pretty impressive in itself, but they're supposed to have a range with an 80 kilogram rider. It's supposed to have a range of 100 kilometers. We're going to test it out tomorrow. Righto, let's unbox this bad boy and have a look and see how it goes. I'll also put up a link in the video as to where you can buy these, once again from our good mates at Electromotion. Now, they're 2,250 bucks, so they're not a cheap single motor scooter for sure, but apparently they're as good as a lot of the dual motor ones out there. We'll soon find out tomorrow. Righto, let's unbox this big bad boy. Woo! Righto, Kel, let's get this big bad boy out of the box.
See what we can do here.
Full set of instructions. You don't need those. Wow, look at this.
Holy smokes.
Woohoo!
Holy smokes.
Man, that is sexy. Look at the size of the wheels on the
Holy
fucker.
smokes.
Geez, I wasn't expecting the wheels to be that big.
Holy smokes.
How are we going to do it, mate?
Let's go that way.
Wowee. Oh, look. Some more tools. Wow, look at that, mate. Don't they look sexy in white?
Holy smokes, look at that.
Woohoo!
This is the piece of machinery. Anything else here? No, that's it.
Right, yeah, just sliding back a bit, mate. That way I meant.
Oh, that way.
Yeah. Wow, look at that, man. They are huge. I was not expecting them to be that big.
Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we've got keys.
Oh, so they've got like a key lock ignition on them.
Oh, wait. How does that go in?
I don't know.
Wait. Well, now it's locked in position.
Righto, first problem, we don't know how to lock this stem down.
I can take that bit there off. Maybe that's what.
I'm pretty sure.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
There we go.
It's wiggling. There we go.
There we go. Right, so that's good. That's fucking close. Here's the stand.
30 amp hour LG. Yeehaw.
Holy smokes.
Whoa! Oops. Yep. No. I wouldn't go past that line, mate. I reckon that line's there for a reason. Yeah. Yep. There's more. Yep. Perfect.
Holy smokes.
Jesus, that is a nice scooter, mate.
Holy smokes.
I think I'll be riding that one tomorrow, mate.
Holy smokes. Right. Okay, well let's set the baby up.
Yep. So guys, we're just going to run around now and tighten everything up on this, as you should do with every single scooter when you get it out of the box. Never, ever, ever trust them out of the box to just take them and ride them. We're going to check the tyre pressure. We're going to run around and nip up all the nuts and bolts and make sure everything's tight. These things, by the way, in other reviews that I've seen on these, apparently the suspension is sensational. They've got the normal spring suspension on the front, but they've got air shocks on the rear. And I also believe that they are semi-hydraulic brakes. We're going to check all that stuff out in a minute. Whew, that's a good looking scooter. I wasn't expecting it to be so fucking big. It is huge, man. Woo! Hey, you can have a party on that deck. I could invite 15 of my mates around and we could sit on that deck and drink beer. First thoughts, Cal?
It's pretty nice, isn't it?
Nice, all right.
This is.
It's the biz, mate.
It looks pretty comfortable. It looks pretty sedate, actually. But considering the specs that these guys have been talking about, this is going to be a ride, man.
How do those brakes feel, mate?
Yeah, they feel tight.
So I think that they're semi-hydraulic. I don't even know what that means, Kel.
I don't know what that means, man. These look cable to me here, but I don't know what that means.
Yeah, well, that's definitely cable on the back there. Yeah. Yeah, we'll have to set all the controller and everything up and get everything set out the way that we like it, mate.
Yeah, that's right, straight. Yeah.
Right, it came with an Allen key tool thing.
Yeah. Cool.
Knock yourself out, mate. So guys, just to reiterate, it's a 52 volt scooter, 30 amp hour LG battery. It's a single 600/1600 watt peak rear motor. Now, I don't know how they get 1600 watts peak out of a 600 watt rear motor. They must have a sensational controller in them for sure. Anyway, stay tuned for the next video where we're going to be riding this bad boy. I'm Pete from Scoot Masters. Say goodbye, Cal.
Goodbye, Kel.
Love you guys. See you next time. Like it, we love it. Can't wait to ride it tomorrow. Righto, stay tuned. So guys, we're at the Sunshine Coast for our Sunny Coast Adventure Scoot today. We've got a whole bunch of scoots here, as you can see. The EMOVE has not yet been ridden, hasn't done a single K, and Julian's about to take it for its maiden voyage. Have to launch it. Look at him go. Righto, we're heading down to 9th Street to have some coffee and a croissant. A croissant. So guys, I've been having a bit of a ride on this EMOVE today. I've done about 20 kilometres on it so far, and I've got to tell you, I am really enjoying it. It's got heaps of power for a single motor scooter. I can't believe it. We climbed some steep hills today and it flew up them. It only appears to have a top speed of around about 50. Plenty of grunt, plenty of torque. The suspension is absolutely magnificent, and the brakes are to die for. And that's why it's $2,200, because it is a premium quality scooter. I'll talk some more about this a little bit later on, guys. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. Very good. And we've done 20 Ks and it's still showing full battery. Gotta love that.